Alright guys, what's up? Back here at Frank Subaru once again, and we're going to be looking at some new cars. Actually, one new car in particular. I don't know if you guys can guess what it is. We didn't actually see the Forester last time we were here. The 50th anniversary Forester is now here, so if you're interested, that's what it looks like. But that's not what I'm here to look at today. This over here is what I'm here to look at today, and they've got two of them. Brand new BRZ TS. TS stands for tuned by your boys at STi. Car is so sick. I've seen plenty of BRZs, no stranger to the BRZ, but this is the first TS that I've seen in person. I think this is the first TS of any Subaru that I've actually seen in person. This is the first TS that is being offered in the United States. The reason I know about TS is because they actually do make a legacy TS that was only available in Japan. In my last video, there were a few complaints in the comments that it was too much of my face going on and not enough of the car, so I'm going to turn the camera around and I will narrate the story from behind the camera. A little nice walk around, nice red pinstriping. The TS has some nice Brembos in red, which are looking clutch. Alright, here's the this is the big draw right here, is the wing. Like I feel like people buy the TS for the wing. Alright, I promised I wouldn't film too much of my face. So here we go. STi carbon fiber wing. Carbon fiber, and this is real carbon fiber, not that fake wrap stuff that I like to use on my car. With the STi, like, I don't know, inlay, because this isn't a sticker. This STi logo is in the paint, so it's been painted in. Black badges from the factory. Look at that, very, very cool. I don't think I've seen another Subaru from the factory with black badges. So black Subaru badge, black BRZ badge, and then the signature TS. TS stands for tuned by STi, so I guess what they're saying is there isn't an STi motor in this car. Rather, the suspension and some of the aftermarket parts are STi parts rather than a full true STi build. So as we look closer, there's some nice pinstriping here, the red pinstriping from the factory. Nice looking exhaust, super clean, look at that. I don't know if that's any different than what comes standard on a regular BRZ, but we'll talk to one of the salespeople here and see if we can get a little extra information. But yeah, still super impressed by this wing. Alright, let's look at these wheels. So, STi wheels. Alright, hopefully I remember to ask later, but I want to find out if these are 5x100 or 5x114. All BRZs, not just the TS, these are all rear-wheel drive. A lot of you watching this video probably already know that. Another TS in the front, but nobody's going to see the front. They're only going to see your tail because you're so fast. And the red pinstriping here again in the front. And look at this, nice little lip. What kind of lip is it? Oh, it's an STi lip. So, very cool, very aggressive looking. They have another one here. It's in black. I've seen that one on Instagram, but haven't seen it in person. So that one's on the showroom floor. So we'll go in and we'll take a look at the black one.